These are our eggs. Yes, we will hatch baby chicks from them.
We must keep the eggs safe.
I will watch over them.
We should protect them from danger.
Don't worry. We will take good care of our eggs. I am very hungry. I have not eaten anything since last night. Oh dear. Come, let's find some food. Okay.
I saw a hen carrying eggs from here this morning.
Yes, let's wait until the hen leaves the house.
Good idea. Then we can quietly take the eggs. Be careful. We don't want the hen to see us. The foxes are planning to steal the hen's eggs. We have to save them.
We have to stop them. Hens are weak and unable to fight the foxes. How can we help them?
I think we should first follow the foxes and see what they do with the eggs.
Let's go outside and search for some food. Yes, let's find some food. Our upcoming babies will be very cute. I am very excited.
Yeah, we found the food. Finally. Just how we planned. Perfect. Hurry, lift it up. Run.
Where did you get these eggs?
These eggs are ours. We buy these from market.
Okay.
Let's hide in the jungle.
Let's go home and check on our eggs. Oh no! Where are our eggs? Oh! We need to find them quickly. Let's find our eggs.
Okay.
How can we get our eggs and someone steal it?
There, don't cry. Let's go to the market.
Oh, look how lively it is. Maybe today won't be so bad.
What happened?
Why are you crying and weeping?
I saw the foxes going toward the jungle with the eggs. We should follow them.
Come with us. We will help you find them. These are the footprints of foxes. Let's follow these footprints.
You look nervous. Is everything okay? I think we made a big mistake.
We should not have taken the hen's eggs. Is someone there?
I heard something. What are you doing here? Are you following us?
I know you have stolen the eggs. You are the thieves.
Are you accusing us? The rabbit went into the cave and still hasn't returned. We should go and find him.
Yes, we must. Let's go together.
The foxes stole the eggs. They tied me up and hurt me. Oh no. Why did you catch our friend? Why did you hurt him? Where are the eggs?
I don't know, honest.
Tell me.
I'm sorry. The eggs are in the cave. I will show you where they are.
They're in the cave, right in there.
I am very happy. Finally, we found our eggs!